It's my greens smoothie. Look at the beauty of my green smoothie. Go ahead guys, check it out right now. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a green smoothie. It's an easy way to make smoothie. So sit back, relax as I take you through this process. And before I go any further guys, remember to like, share and comment on my videos. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications. Okay guys, thank you for the support. I thank you. I can't thank you enough. Alright guys, share my videos, comments, those are important too. Thank you. So let's get right into it. So in my bowl here I have some kale and I have some celery, I have some mangoes cut up, I have cucumber, and I have bits of avocado in there and some ripe bananas. Okay guys? Yes guys, and here I have some ginger cut up, just a bit of ginger. I have my ice, some water, and I have 2 tablespoons of honey that I will be using. Alright, so I'm gonna get started. So first I'm going to add my fruits to the Boothe. Then I'm gonna add the ginger, the honey, which is 2 tablespoons. Okay guys, gonna add my ice and water now. Just a little bit of water, not plenty. Okay, and I'm going to just blend. Okay, just look at my ingredients in the Boothe, looking so lovely. Right, so it's my green smoothie and I'm going to blend. And there you have it guys, look at it. Wow, that looks lovely. So I'm gonna glass this now guys. The glass is already here. Look at it guys. Wow. And there I have it guys. all done. Look at it, how beautiful it is. Yes, yes, look at it, beautiful, isn't it? Let's taste it. Me. This tastes delicious. It's a fulfilling breakfast idea, so go ahead, and it's very healthy. Go ahead and prepare it. You will love it. The children will love it. This green smoothie is the bomb. Go ahead and try it, guys. Everything is so awesome in it, so go ahead and try it. It's have lovely ingredients in there that are good for your body. Just go ahead and try it. Alright guys, remember to like this video, share it with your friends and families, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so that you will be aware when I upload my videos. Okay guys, keep in touch, leave me a comment, tell me what you think about this green smoothie. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Okay, bye.